Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make orange, papaya and carrot smoothie for weight loss. This is a fresh homemade smoothie with the right blend of fresh fruits and vegetables. Is packed with antioxidants. This is pleasing drink for breakfast in summer. These nutrient-rich ingredients with low calories will keep you satiated for long and help in weight loss. Ingredients: half tablespoon of ginger, 1 papaya, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup fresh juice and 1 carrot. First we have to peel the carrot and grate it. Put all the ingredients in a blender, add the ice cubes and blend it until it gets smooth. Now our smoothie is ready. Serve it and enjoy it. Papaya and carrot are rich source of fiber and are relatively low in calories. This reduces your appetite and aids in weight loss. Orange are an amazing weight loss fruit as it is rich in fiber and water content, which will make you feel full. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.